Hello my viewers and my subscribers, welcome to my channel Masakan Ibu Dewi. Today, I'm gonna make pepper stick with capsicum. It's super delicious and easy preparation. Let's go and check out the ingredients. One kg of beef, 3 capsicum, 5 tomatoes cherry, 1 Holland onion. One red onion, 4 cloves of garlic. First we have to marinate the beef with 5 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and 2 teaspoons of black pepper. We marinate for 5 minutes. We pour the oil in a hot pot, put the onion and garlic, mix it little bit. And we put the beef that we already marinate. We pour 1 cup of beef broth, and we add in 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. We cook the beef until soft in medium flame. Once the beef are already soft, we add in the capsicum, Holland onion, and cherry tomatoes. We mix it well, cook it for 5 minutes, and we can turn off the flame. Okay my friends, my pepper stick with capsicum recipe are ready to be served. We can serve with toast bucket bread or with plain rice. Both will taste delicious. Hope you will try this recipe at home. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you like all my recipe. And please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and share my video YouTube channel to all your friends in social media and your family members. Never try, never know. See you in my next video. Bye bye.